Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to find winning dropshipping products with AI Pickr from Doba Dropshipping. This is really cool. This is all about powerful AI finding winning products for you. And I'm going to show you just how super easy it is. You don't even need to prompt anything. The powerful AI Pickr from Doba Dropshipping, literally going to do all of the hardest work for you. And we know that dropshipping stores always need to find new products. If not daily, then definitely weekly. The more products you launch, the more money you make. That's an old saying in the e-commerce space, but it's 100% true. And I think the biggest challenge that a lot of my students face is that they just run out of products that they're excited about testing. They don't research enough products, they don't go deep enough, and it does take a lot of time. And that's why the AI Pickr tool was created. I'm going to show you how to use this advanced AI Pickr to find trending products, winning products, high profit products, and the bottom line is perfect products for your dropshipping store with just a few clicks. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify, so you're going to run into some pain points if you are trying to do this. You need to install an app. And I'm going to show you the best app out there. It's the Doba Dropshipping Shopify app, and your Doba Dropshipping account is going to come with this really powerful AI Pickr. And this is going to allow you to automatically source products for your dropshipping store based on your niche. No prompting needed, right? So if you're selling cat products, AI Pickr is going to source high quality, high profit cat dropshipping products. If you're a tennis store, AI Pickr is going to find you tennis products. If you're a dog store, AI Pickr is going to find you dog products. Sourcing products that are winning, trending, and profitable based on your niche, all powered through AI. That's why you need to be using Doba's AI Pickr. And the best part about this isn't a paid tool or anything like that. It's just fully built into Doba Dropshipping, which is, if you've been following my videos, my by far #1 choice when it comes to doing drop shipping on Shopify. And you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder and I'm going to show you Doba, and you see it's the #1 way to build your dream drop shipping business. And we're going to focus on the AI Pickr. I'll show you this in a second. I'll log into my account. But things to know about Doba: 90% of their drop shipping products are based in the United States. So you're going to get fast shipping, allowing you to get great reviews, repeat customers, and lifetime clients. You got one-click listing. You could add products in one click. AI selection, I'm going to show you that. And a real big shout out to their 24/7 support. They do a great job of supporting their sellers. And you see that over 3 million dropshippers are using Doba, and they've made over $6 billion in total sales because Doba is built by industry experts. They have 20 plus years of dropshipping experience. But really, what I think is the most important part about the products here is that they come from the US, 90% of them. So we're going to have these AI-sourced recommendations all through the Doba catalog, and 90% of these products US stock, so you get really fast shipping. And the AI Pickr is super powerful, right? It literally allows you to find hot products, and it's super simple to walk through. You have this as part of your account. And you see that there are different categories that you can search through and top performers, or just simply ask and describe your needs. AI Pickr does all the rest. So it's giving a little example over here of high profit products, and I'll sign into my account so we can do some personalized examples. But you see over here, the AI is going to basically guide you into which products they recommend. And not only just in terms of recommending products, but they're going to say, okay, you can go ahead and source this product immediately and add it to your store just like you would with any other Doba product. The only big difference here is that they're literally giving you the products based on AI and based on your niche. Now I'm logged into my account and I can get access to the full AI Pickr. And this is going to be the easiest way that you'll ever source products. You can get started over here with any of these kind of subcategories where they have best-selling, high profit, rising stars, or year-end picks. Another great thing to do is source by hot category, especially if you're not exactly sure what to sell. You can come over here and say, I think I want to sell some of these products in these categories, but I'm not exactly sure which. Right? Maybe you want to start a toy store, or a home garden store, or a sports store, or an outdoor store. Maybe you want to sell fragrance or makeup or skincare. Or you could just put in your own topic, right? You want to sell cat products or dog products, or you want to sell things for people who love running or whatever. You could enter your own topic there. I'm going to go over here and click skincare, and you're going to see the AI Pickr in action. Okay, AI Pickr over here says, great choice. Skincare market offers endless opportunities, especially with trending, natural, and anti-aging products. So I'm going to give you a little detail about pricing. Okay, 93% of the price of the products here are under $40. Okay, we see tons of products right over there in that price range. See a couple products that are a little bit higher end as well. Always good to have a good mix in your store. High inventory ensures steady supply. So we're talking about having lots of inventory available for this Gradual Tan Classic Daily Firming Lotion. We can click in this and we see the product detail page. All right, so this is not just about recommending products, but this is the entire start to finish product research and product sourcing all at the same time with AI Pickr. Because when we're happy with one of the recommendations, we click Add to Inventory List. And this is basically creating a favorites list. And now this Gradual Tan Classic Lotion is in our favorites list. We'll be able to come back to it in a little bit. See some more over here. Capitalize on the growing skincare demand with the Bearberry Eye Repair Cream. A lot of stock, 3 to 5 day shipping, free delivery costs. Take a look at this over here. You see it ships in 3 to 5 days, comes from New York. It's costing us $56. They recommend that we sell it for $75. If we're interested in this, we could add it to our inventory list. So we'll add that over here. You see that we have all of these other products that they've recommended. And you can kind of give feedback in terms of the AI recommendations to help it get even smarter. But you see product after product after product. Again, not just ideas about products or pictures or references to products, but products that can be sourced and added into your store immediately. We'll go and add this to our inventory list. And I'll go and add this to my inventory list. And I will also add this to my inventory list. You get the point here. The best part about the inventory list is that it's a big housing of all of the products you're interested in adding to your store. And when you are ready to add these products to your store, you just simply select the checkboxes, click List to Store, select your store, right? You'll be able to do that when you add the Shopify app to your store. And then you're able to go ahead and select everything like the title, the description, the pricing over here, the images, and that all gets sent into your store. So you start with AI Pickr. We'll go ahead and start a new one. Start with AI Pickr. Let's say we want to do the toy category, and specifically we want to sell baby and toddler toys. Okay, this is going to be our new niche. And we see over here, spread out pricing again, but still a lot of things under $70, 81% of them. But we do see some higher end products over here, close to almost 20% are above $70. So that's pretty good. We have some nice margin. And, it's going to give us some recommended products over here, fast shipping, low return rate. So this rocking horse for toddlers, it's got free shipping. That's great. Fast shipping. But it also has a low return rate. So we know that customers are happy about this product. And these are the type of insights that AI is able to gain that, if we did very deep research, maybe we'd be able to find that out. But we have this spoon-fed to us by the AI Pickr. It's incredibly powerful. It helps give us so much confidence to say, okay, I'm going to definitely go ahead and add this product into my inventory list. Not only does it have fast shipping, which my customers are going to like, but it has a low return rate, meaning that people don't return it often, so they must be very happy with it. Same thing over here. Toddler toys, a little car barrier, pet-loving parents, right? So you might have pets and kids at home. You use this over here for a nice little adjustable barrier. Got a trampoline slide. You got all these different types of products in here. Okay, maybe you're not interested in any of those products. Say, okay, I'm going to go over into the puzzles category. Maybe I could find some good stuff here. See different pricing. See different product types over here. Right, you see all these different recommendations as well. And if you're interested, you could add to the inventory list. So the AI Pickr, it's your next-gen product sourcing expert. It really is someone or something, I guess, that can do product research way faster and way better than you can. Okay, so even if you're a product research expert, I highly recommend you jump into it. Right, maybe you want to find high-profit products. Okay, highly profitable outdoor furniture option, 54% margin and ample stock, so you could scale this really easily. See all these high-profit products. So the AI Pickr is going to be your #1 tool to find great products regardless of what you're selling. Here's another example. I just simply put in cat products into the chat here. So you can go ahead and put in dog products or tennis products, whatever your niche is. And just like that, it gives me a little bit of summary on the niche, shows me that the price ranges over here, mostly low end, and shows some recommended products. Explore the booming cat market with this versatile 4-in-1 cat tree, free and fast shipping, high fulfillment, low return rate, great profit margins. So it's literally telling me, right? You can go and scroll through and you could have searched cat products and found this, but AI Pickr is telling me why this is good. Free fast shipping, high fulfillment, lower return rate. So people like it, they get it quickly, they don't return it. And we can make some really high profit margins on here. So we're going to add this to our inventory list. Here's a funny example over here. You see that it doesn't say add to inventory list. It already says view because I've actually added this product before. I found this one already. Capitalize on the growing pet market with the electronic rolling toy ball, low cost, fast shipping, high fulfillment rate. Easy product to add to your store. I think I've already added it in one of my stores you see over here. So see add to inventory list over here, and it's giving us those great recommendations. And you know, you can do this for any niche that you want. Just another random example here. I put tennis products. Great choice. Tennis products are great, etc., etc. Here's the different price ranges, and here we go. So stable fulfillment, quick shipping, modest profit margin, right? So we get all those great things here. We get fast delivery, high fulfillment rate, low cost, quick sales. So again, more stats over here that make us really want to click this button and add to inventory list. AI Pickr not only showing us products that are readily available, but telling us why we'll want to add them into our store. It's like having an AI product expert give you personalized reasoning about why to add a product to store, which in my opinion was always the hardest part about dropshipping, you know, figuring out what products to add to your store. Now we have a super smart AI Pickr to do it for us. So that was Doba and the AI Pickr. As you see, I mean, it's just incredibly powerful. This is built in to your Doba account. You don't need to pay anything extra for it. It's just literally built in there with all of the other great features like full automation, the great product selection, US-based inventory for fast shipping. There's no better option when it comes to Shopify dropshipping than Doba. You see the link directly below this video. Make sure you jump right in and get started with that 14-day trial, and definitely jump into AI Pickr. I mean, it's the easiest way to get winning products in your store. If you have any questions about how to use this or how to use Doba, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them in the comments. But otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money with Doba's AI Pickr, and I'll see you in my next video.